front level, back level, square shaft, latch holder, door frame plate, 2 poles, screws, latch, key. Install these 2 poles in black of front level. Insert the square shaft to the bottom of the handle hole. This is a wrong indication. The square hole must be horizontal. This is a correct indication. If the latch hole are centered in the door hole, no adjustment is requirement. If latch hole are not centered, adjust latch. Must hold the latch in front of door hole, with the latch face flush against the door edge. Hold the latch in front of door hole, fix latch with screws. Install front level and please make sure cable through square shaft hole. Unscrew the battery holder cover. Install black level. Connect wire connector. Install 4 PCs AAA batteries in battery holder. Batteries is not included in lock. Fix cover. Fix the back level screws. How to use a mechanical lock to unlock.